Today is very like yesterday, Madhavendra Puripad, the birthday, disappearance day, both are same of Madhavendra Puripad and Madhvacharya, Srinivasacharya. I think that the speakers have told about this, explained. Madhav Maharaj, he has explained. But you should know that Krishna was controlled by Madhavendra Puripad. And in some cases I think Madhavendra Puri is more superior than Prahlad Maharaj too. More superior. I think Prahlad Maharaj cannot touch the lotus feet of Madhavendra Puri. He is the root of Prema Bhakti, Prem Kalpataru. And Srinathji's Seva he manifested. And he came to him and get darshan. Prahlad Maharaj sings there, and for momentary. But Madhavendra Puripad and Bali Maharaj, often he used to give darshan in Shuta. But Madhavendra Puripad, a special maidservant of Radhika, so hard. He is the root of Braja Rasa, who brought in this world. And then Ishwar Puripad came, and then he gave all these things to Mahaprabhu, Sarv Damodar, Raya Ramananda, Shad Goswami, and thus coming. So Madhavendra Puri is so high. He has love and affection, special for Radha and Krishna Kanjiva. And also Srinivasa Acharya, he was the disciple of Gopal Bhatta Goswami. And he was trained like a Siksha Guru by Jiv Goswami. And he introduced so many melodies of Kirtan. And he was so high class of devotee that Abarup Goswami, all Goswami depended on him. That you should go to preach in Bengal all the literature written by us, by Rup Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Jiv Goswami. And he took and he was going with his subordinate, Raghunath, Narottam Thakur and Shyamanand. And the way some backward looted all the books.
With the bullock cart.
They thought that, full of jewels. The astrologer told to Decades, the leader, that, this is full of treasure. And for this they, what? Stolen away the cart with whole books. And they kept there. Now the three became mad, Srinivasa and all others. Anyhow, Srinivasa Acharya sent both subordinates to Bengal. And I am here until I will discover the books. And then the king was the leader of all the Daikwas. But he was also a devotee. Though he used to loot out so many things, but he used to meditate and hear Srimad Bhagavat especially. There was a Bhagavat Pandit in his council, and he used to come and to read Srimad Bhagavat, explain Srimad Bhagavat. Srinivasa Acharya, in a very simple form, dress, he went there where Bhagavat was going. He was hearing also. When Srimad Bhagavat was finished for that day, then Srinivas told, Acharya told, may I explain something about this, what he has explained? Then king, yes, I want that you should explain something about this. He was speaking on Gopi Geet or Brahmar Geet, but he could not explain to her. Then when he stood up and began to
Speak.
explain, oh, himself weeping and making all audience weeping. That has been explained by Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, Sanatana Goswami, Jiva Goswami in Srimad Bhagavatam. All began to weep. And then at once the king came and flat down, did pranam sastang and told, I want to take
Initiation.
Diksha initiation from you and want to hear Srimad Bhagavatam. Then he told that yes, and then he took initiation, he gave initiation. And then he told, king told, I want to give you some donation for this, Dakshina,
Guru Dakshina.
Guru Dakshina. He told, what Dakshina can you give? Then you say, as you like, I will give. Oh, you are promising, yes. Oh, then you should try to manage to bring that card full of all the books. Oh, it is with me. It is with me. And my astrologers told that 3 persons are coming, devotees from Vrindavan, and they have a lot
Priceless
of
jewel.
jewels, more than jewels. And that is why we took. But we could not thought that they are jewels. Now, hearing from you, I now know that they are more than jewels. Jewel cannot give Krishna Bhakti. They cannot help us. But that works of thousand and thousand. You are coming only by that grace. Chaitanya Charitamrita, books of Jiva Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Rupa Goswami, all. And they were received. So this was Srinivas Acharya, a very high class of devotee. So we pray to their Lotus feet that they should sprinkle their mercies to us.